wanted to make this video so that women will know their worth. Just because a guy calls you pretty, sexy, attractive, or he just pays attention to you does not mean that you need to give him the time of day. I am so tired of seeing beautiful women, attractive women. I'm so tired of seeing women in general, settle for less and go after guys that can't do nothing for you. If you're entertaining a guy that cannot do nothing for you, know that you are playing yourself and you are in fact wasting your time. And I know this is going to upset so many people, but I'm just being honest. This is life. When I used to be ugly or unattractive, whatever, these guys didn't pay me no mind. And so that's just life, If you're a beautiful woman, you need to pick better. You need to choose better. You cannot be hanging around just anybody. Okay? So I don't care if people don't like what I'm trying to share, but I really need women to understand that as a beautiful woman, if you step out of your house and you go out with a guy that has nothing to offer you, you are playing yourself. You are boosting this guy's morale. You're boosting his confidence. He's going to feel like the man for that whole week just because you've gone out with him. His friends are going to see that. Other guys are going to see that. And they're going to be wondering, what is that girl doing with this guy? And honestly, they're going to think, if this guy can pull this chick, then he's definitely doing something right. And they're going to start respecting the guy more. Not necessarily you, but they're going to look to the guy as, wow, like he's the man. And he's going to feel that too. When you guys walk into a room and everyone's looking at you, you have to pick these guys strategically. You cannot date anybody. You cannot. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. I used to be a hopeless romantic. I love love. I still like to love, but I'm also logical and I also think like a man. I am not somebody who just, thinks about fairy tales and Disneyland fantasy thinking. You have to be very strategic when it comes to the type of partners you choose. You cannot be choosing broke guys just because they think you're pretty or they think you're attractive. You always have to raise your standards high. Because when you raise your standards high, especially when you tell these guys like, hey, I'm high maintenance, I'm looking for someone to spoil me, I'm a spoilt girly, they will run away. Or sometimes they try to bring you down as well. Like, who do you think you are? Why are your standards so high? What do you bring to the table? Well, just by me coming out of my house, going out with you, I have automatically raised your social value, and that's why you see sometimes when a guy is not used to dating an attractive woman or dating a pretty woman, or he didn't think that he could get a woman like you, he now begins to feel like he can do better. He now begins to feel like he can go out and get more like you. You've basically boosted his ego to the point he feels like he could do better. To the point where he feels like he's that guy. To the point where he feels like actually you're average. Because for you to settle with a guy like him, it means that there's something wrong with you or that you're just not it. And you don't have that many options. Especially if the guy is, no offense, a bum. If he's a guy that can't do anything for you, he knows that he can't do anything for you. He knows that you're better than him or you're too good for him. Mind you, if a guy told you that you're too good for him, I want you to pack your bags and believe him as well and run away. If he told you that you're too good for him, believe it. It's not a joke because he already knows that you're too good for him. Men are not stupid. Men are very territorial. They know when a woman is out of their league. They know when they can't give you what you need. And they also know that women deserve to be spoiled. They know that women like nice things. And they will try to shame you as well. Some of them will try to shame you for being materialistic or being a gold digger. But then they don't have anything to give you. They don't have anything to offer you. So how could you be a gold digger in the first place. It doesn't make any sense. But I'm just saying all this to say, like, you need to raise your standards. You do. Broke guys cannot do anything for you except give you stress. They are usually very insecure as well because they know that other men want you. You know, a guy was literally telling me the other day, like, which guy doesn't want a girl that every guy wants? Like I said, men are very territorial. If they feel like they can't give you what you need and another guy can, he's automatically going to be very insecure. And you need to stay away from insecure men. They are very dangerous. And they will try to humble you. They will try to put you down if you're a very attractive woman. And they do this, I call it dick tactics, so that they can get what they want from you. Again, like, you need to watch my video if you haven't. It's, I think, dating tips that would avoid you getting played. Yeah, something like that. So, like, go on the channel, watch that video. I speak about everything you need to know so that you don't get played. These guys know exactly what they're doing. A lot of them, they just want access to you, just your energy. Literally, I was out the other day and someone was like, just say hello to me. Just say hello to me. And of course, I'm a nice girl. I'm a kind girl. I'm not nice. And I was like, hello. And then, you know, that just does something for them. They feed off of your energy. So passionate about this topic, I'm actually stumbling on my words. They feed off of your energy. Just you being attractive, just you speaking to them, just you going out with them is enough for them to feel like a man. And I'm telling you right now, please value yourself. Do not spend time with guys that can't do anything for you. Do not go out with guys that cannot do anything for you. If you know that he's not a generous guy, he cannot make your life better in any way, do not go out with him. Do not do anything for him. You can keep him at a distance. Maybe I can't lie, I don't really keep friends with guys because, like I said in that video, a lot of them just want to sleep with you. So yeah, like, cherish yourself. If anybody should ask you what do you bring to the table, you don't even need to answer that question because, like I said in this video, just you going out with a guy adds value to his life, you know? So why should they be asking that stupid question? Like, that's everything I have to say for this. And I just want you to go out into the world, know who you are, show up as the prize as well. Take good care of yourself. From your hair to your feet, the clothes that you wear. When you treat yourself as the prize, people are going to take you seriously. People are going to respect you more. People are going to be nicer to you. And you find that you attract things easier, especially money. Don't listen to these guys saying that you're materialistic, you're a gold digger, because they are materialistic too. Because a lot of these guys, they be forming that they're not into makeup, they're not into BBL, they're not into extensions, hair extensions and weaves and whatnot. But if you observe men, when they see a beautiful woman, she's usually having beautiful makeup, beautiful body, beautiful clothes. They are equally as materialistic. And they're trying to make you or guilt you so that you're not materialistic. These men know what they're attracted to, whether they are broke, whether they are rich, they are still attracted to attractive women who take care of themselves. So if you know that you take care of yourself, do not settle for less. Also, there are so many attractive women out there that don't think that they are pretty. And I want you to look in the mirror and start figuring out how to make yourself look better. Because no matter who you are right now, what stage you are, you can always look better. And I'm not saying go get plastic surgery. I'm just saying that just even the little things like grooming and doing your hair and just making the right outfit choices, you can look 10 times better. I have a blog post on my website about how to dress more feminine, how to dress 10 times better. You should go check it out on selfhealjourney.com. But yeah, you have value just by you being yourself, just by you being a woman. Do you know what a woman is? You bring life to this planet. You have the portal between the physical world to the spiritual realm, and somebody is asking you, what value do you bring? Are you kidding me? If a guy asks you that question, I want you to instantly block him, because he doesn't respect women and he doesn't respect himself and he doesn't like his mom. And those type of guys, you already know, they are very dangerous. Start asking for more. Don't let anybody guilt you. Don't let anybody shame you into what they feel like you deserve. If you say that this is what I deserve, that is exactly what you deserve, and that's exactly what you're going to get. So yes, I love you so much, ladies. I just wanted to give you a quick pep talk. I'm so tired of seeing women who don't even know that they're pretty get with bums, get with losers, and struggle love, and then call it relationship or call it love. I am so tired, and I really want you to know that you deserve better. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.